Leveling up for 2023. I hope everyone can hear me today. I hope everyone is well today. I hope that everyone will just enjoy their 2023. Guys, today I have an awesome recipe and I hope everyone is doing well. What I want to do is level up on my recipes for 2023. So it's not like we're going to get rid of them. We're just going to level up. And we're going to start with our southern fried cabbage. Today, that's what I'm making, guys. And I want to show you my ingredients and then I will come back. But let's do this first. First, I want you to see I have cabbage, bacon, andouille sausages, raw shrimp, minced garlic, onions, a few green peppers, red peppers. My seasonings are onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and Lawry seasoning salt. We're gonna level up our southern fried cabbage. This is what we're gonna use. I'm gonna clean everything up and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. I've cut everything up, cleaned my shrimp, cut up my green and red peppers. I have my andouille sausage, my cabbage. Now, what I'm going in with first in my pot is my bacon. And this is quite a bit of bacon that I have here. And you want to do your bacon first because you're going to use that bacon grease and all that flavor that this bacon grease is going to give you. You're going to need it to level up your cabbage, your fried cabbage. So what I want to do is I'm going to cook all of this bacon up. And once I get it all cooked up, I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. Now you see this bacon? It's ready to come out. I'm not going to keep it in there. And there's quite a bit of oil in here from our bacon. So what we want to do next is this. Take our bacon out. Because remember, we're going back in with our bacon. And you want some of that oil, but not all of it. Okay? So we want to take all of this out of the pot. All right? Took the bacon out, and I have this oil left here. What I'm going to do next is go in with my onions and my peppers. And I want those to get very tender. Because remember, that oil is going to season up your vegetables. If you choose to use a little salt and pepper, go ahead, guys. You can do it. But that bacon grease is your love. That's going to be the love of this recipe. You're leveling up your southern fried cabbage. That's what you're doing here. I'm going to let this go for about 2 or 3 minutes. And I want to take it out. Okay? All right. My onions are soft. My green peppers and red peppers are soft. And I'm going to take those out, guys, now. Okay? I'm going to take these out. And I'm going to remove some of the oil now. Okay? Because we're going to do our shrimp and our sausages next. Okay, leveling up your southern fried cabbage. Okay, I poured out majority of that bacon grease, and I'm going in with some butter, and now my shrimp, guys. If you want, you can take your shrimp and chop them in half like that before you even put them into your pot. And I'm just going to go in, which this is optional, with a little Obey seasoning on the shrimp. Leveling up your stir-fry cabbage. Your cabbage is leveling up for your southern fried cabbage. So we're going to let these cook. You know the deal, guys. The deal, where these got to get pink. And if you want to use more shrimp than this, you can. But I'm going to let these cook and take them out. And like I said, they're very easy to chop in half if you want them in half. You can before you even start cooking them. Okay? So we got our butter and our Old Bay on there. And that's all the season we use so far, with 2 teaspoons of butter. We're coming back and we're going to take our shrimp out now. All right, last but not least, our andouille sausages. Guys, you should smell my house. It smells amazing. Now these are going to go for about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay? Some of you like a little toasty to your toasted sausage. You can toast them up. I'm going to let them cook 3 to 5 minutes, get the love in them, and then I want to come back and start putting my cabbage into my pot. Oh, it smells amazing in here. Okay? So let's let these go for about, like I say, 3 to 5 minutes. It's good enough because they're going to have to come back and cook some more with your southern fried cabbage that you're leveling up on. Level up 2023. All right. After 4.5 minutes of my sausages, I'm taking them out. And we'll put our sausages back in on our plate. And now we're going to come in with our cabbage. All right, guys, I'm back. And this is what I took out of the skillet. I'm going to go in with my cabbage. All right, we're going in with the cabbage. And you know cabbage has to shrink down. Okay? So you got all that love down there, and I'm not thrilled about that big piece there. And you want to move this around. And then you want to go in with some more, guys, like this. This is my seasoning. And I'm going to put some of that onion powder, garlic powder, Lawry seasoning salt onto my cabbage. Okay? And I'm going to mix it around and let it cook down some. Okay? Leveling up your southern fried cabbage. Okay? We're going to go in some more. We're going to let this cook down. Add the rest of our seasoning. To our cabbage. Okay, so after this is cooked down for about 3 or 4 minutes, then we're going to add our meat and our green peppers and things back to our cabbage. All right, guys, you see how I have this? I'm going to cover it up at least 5 minutes, I know. If less, I'll let you know. I've seasoned it with that onion powder, garlic powder, and the black pepper, Lawry seasoning salt. We're going to cover that up. I put like 2 teaspoons, I think, of butter up there. It's your choice. You may choose to use olive oil, but that's going to fry down, and then we're going to add our love to this pot. I'm going to put a lid on it, and I'll be right back. All right, your cabbage cooked down. See that? Cabbage cooks down, everyone. Oh, this is awesome. Level up your fried southern cabbage. We're gonna go in now with our sausages. We're gonna stir those in. Go in with your onions and your red and green peppers. Stir those in, guys. Ooh-wee. If your boyfriend gets some of those, he's ready to become your husband. This is what this meal for leveling up will do to a person. Then you want to go in. All right, now we're going in with that bacon. And we want to stir that in. My heat is on a medium heat. Then we're going to go in with those shrimp. And you want to get a teaspoon. And you're just going to go in with just half. Just a little bit of minced garlic. Okay? Like a teaspoon of it. Mix it in. Let this go for another 5 minutes or less. And this is ready, guys. Look how beautiful that looks. Look how beautiful this cabbage looks, and it smells absolutely amazing. Okay? What do you guys think? Level up your fried southern cabbage. All right. Look at the level up southern fried cabbage, guys. Look at this. Doesn't it look absolutely amazing? This is how you level up your southern fried cabbage for 2023. Follow these ingredients and instructions, and this is what you guys will get. I hope you'll give it a try. Oh my goodness, if you could just smell my kitchen. I'm trying to get one of those shrimp. OMG. Guys, you gotta try this recipe. It's absolutely amazing. Look at that. Look at this. All right, guys. I gotta get ready for my dinner. You guys have an amazing day. Thank you for watching. I hope everyone is having a happy new year. Keep them coming. I hope you guys will keep it coming with me with your subscriber account. I'm going to make more level up meals for you guys. Oh, this is so delicious. I have to hurry up. All right, you guys, have an awesome day. Voila! Bye-bye.